The award-winning Palm Jumeirah, a masterpiece of modern construction. Host to some of the world's best luxury hotels, resorts and upscale residences. And now, a new iconic landmark that rises 239 meters from its heart. The Palm Tower Residences, another marvel of design and engineering. Palm Jumeirah offers a modern, cosmopolitan living environment with a wide variety of entertainment and leisure options right on your doorstep.
The Palm Tower Residence is shaping up to be the epitome of Palm Jumeirah living. If you're a resident here, you've got exclusive connected facilities at your fingertips. Firstly, it's directly connected to Nakeel Mall with its world-class retail destinations. You can hop on the Palm monorail and connect with Dubai Tram and Dubai Metro. So, you're in easy reach of all that Dubai has to offer. You're right on the doorstep of Al Ittihad Park with this popular 3.4-kilometer jogging track. Plus, you've got deluxe amenities like one of the world's highest rooftop infinity pools and leisure complexes. Not to mention the 5-star St. Regis Hotel and Residence with its exclusive St. Regis Beach Club.
The Palm Tower was a challenge in terms of design due to the great location and all the aspects. The tower took its design with its skeleton like a palm tree. Then the different section of the project itself, whether you are in the hotel, whether you are in the residence or in the rooftop pool and restaurant, we looked at every single details of those elements to capitalize on the location and on the view that we have around Palm Jumeirah. No matter which apartment you choose to take, you will always have a great view.
With construction full steam ahead, ongoing works of the tower will include approximately 77,600 cubic meters of concrete, 17,000 tons of reinforcement steel, and 700 tons of structural steel. The build is facilitated by 3 massive tower cranes, 2 of which reach a maximum height of 300 meters at boom tip.
Construction is progressing at accelerating pace, and we are adding a floor per week. More than 1,000 workers have put in over 4 million man-hours. We also have 155 consultants from over 15 nationalities. Everyone has come together to bring Palm Tower to life.
Directly connected to the Palm Tower, the 4.5 million square foot Nakeel Mall, with 350 shops, is set to become Dubai's premium lifestyle, shopping, dining and entertainment destination.
When you overlook the mall, you are not looking at an ugly roof. You are looking at a great outdoor park feature. There is a lot of water feature, a lot of dining area, a lot of activity happening around you, so you feel you are part of this amazing oasis of outdoor activity and outdoor enjoyment place.
There really is no better place to be in Dubai. Very exciting to see it all coming to life with delivery expected end of 2019.